Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today we're going to look at how to begin your research as an MCUTS student. As you begin researching for an assignment, the library's homepage, uu.edu/library, is a great place to start. On the homepage, you'll find information about our social media accounts, including announcements. You'll also find a link for our YouTube channel and our blog. Here we have how-to posts and tips for research. Next, you'll want to focus on the quick link research guides. The research guides are pages that the librarians have created to help you as you begin your research. They're created specifically for your discipline. As they're listed alphabetically, scroll down until you find MCUTS. On the MCUTS guide, you'll see the MCUTS hours and some tips for adult students in college. You'll also see information for contacting a librarian. Under the Finding Articles tab, you'll see a list of databases that are general in nature, which means they cover a variety of topics. You'll also see databases specific to your courses. You'll want to use these databases when you're researching for an assignment. Under Finding Books, you'll find a link for searching the library's catalog, as well as directions for how to check out a book from the MCUTS library. Citing your sources is a good place to go as you begin citing sources in your assignment. There are links to the MLA 9th edition research guide, as well as how to get help from a librarian. Under Research Help, you'll find information about research coaching. Research coaching is a service that the library provides where we meet with you one-on-one via Zoom, or if you happen to be in Jackson, face-to-face. We can answer your individual questions and help you walk through researching for your assignment. We can answer any research questions you might have during this research coach appointment. If you have additional questions, please contact a librarian and we'd be happy to help you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see new content, subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions for new videos, please drop it in the comments.